Hello everyone, I am Dr. Alin Shiratti, professor and consultant. So today's session, that is the third session, I will be assigning you few assignments to do in next 3 weeks. So as discussed earlier, the assignments will be based on two things. One is Coursera and next is the few case studies. So this today's assignment will be related to Coursera education platform. So each student have to do minimum 2 courses. The first course is career planning, resume or CV writing, covering letter writing, and how you should prepare for interview. So this course, I want each one of you to go through this course in details. Okay. So once I go through all these slides, I will go each course in details. Okay. Next is the science of well-being. So this is one of the most done course is done by everyone in Coursera. So this is common to all students, and I suggest not only this course to the student, also you can do with your parents, you can do with elders, even you can suggest other people to do this course. And this course is free course available on Coursera, so you should not have a tie-up like what Jain College is having with Coursera. Okay. And the next one is fundamentals of management. So this is offered by UCI University. And the last one is the teamwork skills, communicating effectively in the groups. So we will see all this course in detail one by one. Okay. So let me open all the. So let's see all these courses one by one in detail. So the first course, this is offered by Tomsk State University. Now objective of this course is mainly how you can plan your career, how you should write the CV, what should be the covering letter, how you prepare for the interview. So generally it is a 4-week course, but it is a 5-week course, but it can be finished in approximately 10 hours. So it will give you introduction, writing the resume, creating the covering letter, and strategies for interviews. Okay, and the conclusion. So generally it is just in 10 hours. If you sit for 1 or 2 days, you can finish this course very easily. Okay, so this is a basic course handled by Dr. Peter. The next one, it is a very long, almost 8 weeks course, the science of well-being, offered by Yale University. So if I see the objective of this course, in this course you will be engaged in a series of challenges designed to increase your happiness and build more productive habits. Okay, so if I go through the syllabus of this one, so this is an 8-week course. Okay, 10-week course contained first just an introduction, then misconception about happiness, why our expectations are so bad, how I can overcome the bias, stuff that really makes us happy, putting strategies into practice, start your final requirement challenge, continue your requirement challenge for 2 weeks, and submit the final assignment. It is generally a 10 weeks course, but it asks you only spend 2 hours per week. But if you sit continuously for 3 to 4 days, it is a very good course. What I suggest for each one of you, irrespective of your age, you can even refer to your elders, maybe your brothers, sisters, or your even parents. Okay, so you can go through this course. So these first 2 courses are compulsory for everyone. Okay, Now the next course, which is Fundamentals of Management, okay, handled by Professor Dave. So what it includes is a 4-week course. What do you mean by managers and leaders? How you differentiate them? What are the skills needed by today's manager? What do you mean by planning? How a management styles and networking is important. So all these steps we will be dealing in this course, which is also roughly a 8 hours course. Okay, so this also, you if you want, you can finish in 1 or 2 days. The next is, as we know, the teamwork and skills regarding communications are very important. Okay, so this is done by Professor Matthew. So if you go through the syllabus of this one, this is also a 4-week course divided into 4 modules, and different type of communications are taught you in this course. So what I did was, so these are the 4 courses which I am suggesting you to go through from management point of view. Additionally, I am suggesting one more course which is very important from engineering point of view. That is an optional one. This is Fusion 360. So this is a software developed by Autodesk. Okay. So what the feature of this software is, this is an integrator of CAD, CAM and CAE. So you know, for CAD currently you are using either AutoCAD or Autodesk Inventor, or maybe SolidWorks CATIA, and for CAM Mastercam CNC software, or for CAE ANSYS Abacus. But this is single software which will take care of everything. Okay, and this is one of the course suggestions. This will take only few hours to finish. This will give the introduction of this Fusion software. Addition of this Autodesk Fusion 360s are available on the Coursera. Further, once you are happy with this introduction, you can go through this more courses on Fusion 360. So the details of this course include, so this is the course Introduction to Mechanical Engineering Design and Manufacturing with Fusion 360, offered by Autodesk directly by the company. So what the syllabus is: the future of manufacturing and innovation, then Fusion 360 fundamental concept, introduction to CAD modeling, introduction to CAM and CAE. All this will give the basic idea about what is Fusion 360 is. Okay, and if you wish to go through few more courses on Fusion, they are available here. Okay, also you can contact me for more details. All these course links I am posting it in on my YouTube channel, okay, in the description box. So if you go to the website, so this software is available for 1 year for free, both for personal use and education use. So you can just register and install this software. For commercial purpose, it's available for only for 30 days. So I'll just give you a brief small video of what this software is. Also, good thing about this is Autodesk has created their own channel for Autodesk Fusion 360. Okay, just in 1 minute video of what people says about this software.
We're trying to do something that's never been done before. Something that seemed impossible.
We are constantly trying to push our designs just a little bit further. I'm always saying, make it even better. Before I had Fusion 360, the question was, can I really make that? Now it's more like, what can't I make?
Now I have a simple way to solve really complicated problems.
Starting a project used to be so daunting. We'd spend days trying to make a prototype. I love how intuitive the software feels. It's like an extension of my brain.
Our team is really tight-knit. even though we have people all over the world. Fusion 360 keeps us connected.
I'm able to spend more time with the things that matter to me most because I can get my work done anytime, anywhere. It's an amazing feeling to hold something you've brought from idea to reality.
With Fusion 360, I don't have to compromise between cost or quality.
I'm an engineer.
I'm a machinist.
I'm a designer, and I use Fusion 360.
Fusion 360. One product, unlimited possibilities.
So more details about this software you can go through their YouTube channel. Okay, so about the assignments, if you go to your Google Classroom, you may found, in your case you may be finding 5A management and economics. So if you click here, okay, I have posted first few videos. In case you don't know how to use the Google Room or Google Classroom, you can go through the first video, and if you want to see how to submit the assignment using Google Classroom, it is mentioned on this video. So you can go to your classwork. Okay, so there you will find a new assignment. So if I click here, so if you open your classwork, you can find the module 1 and the assignment here. So if you click this one, you will get all the details of your assignments. Okay, so you can open this one in big. Okay, so you can see here all the instructions for the assignments are given. All the students need to complete 2 Coursera course number, other things are given in table 1. Table 2 contains details of assigned course to each student. Okay, and any interested student can do the fusion. Okay, so if I click here, I can give how many assignments. It carries 5 marks, so whomever the assignments are assigned, it is given here, right? So once you submit, I can evaluate. Now if you open the instruction part and open this PDF, that assignment 5th. Okay, so you can see this PDF in details. So this one will give about the instruction first. All the students need to complete 2 Coursera courses. The details of course and links are given in table 1. Table 2 contains the assigned courses for each student. Additionally, students can also do Fusion 360, that is optional one. Okay, so let's say Coursera number 1, that is the name of the course and the link. So first and course, second course, everyone has to do. Only for first, all these courses should be completed in 3 weeks except the second course. So first and second everyone has to do, and third and fourth I'm assigning you. Okay, and this fourth one, last one, additional course on Fusion, it is left to interested student to do it, but I suggest if it is good time for you to do at 5th semester itself. So in first case, if you go here, I have given you some serial number 5A1, there is a USN, and then it will give you the details about you have to do course 1 and 2 and course 3. If you go other person, let's say Vaibhav, he has to do 1 and 2, everyone, that is common, and fourth. Okay, so fourth is nothing but a teamwork skill, third is nothing but fundamentals of management. So accordingly you can register and do the courses. Once you do the courses, you have to upload your certificate in the link which I will be posting in on assignment page. Okay, so in today's and also about this Fusion course, you can take a call and do accordingly. Okay, but it's a very useful course. So in today's class, I have given you 5 assignments on Coursera. Okay, so try to finish everything in next 3 weeks this assignment, but if you sit sincerely it may not take 3 days to finish. Okay, so thank you everyone. So if you have any questions you can message me or you can text me also. Thank you.